Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick little video about Genius Scan. The quality of this video is not that great. I'm having to use a different camera. My original camera that I typically use is not working, so it's a little grainy. Sorry about that. But I sent you a video already on how to use Genius Scan, and hopefully that gives you the basics. But there are a few other things that I wanted to show you that weren't on that video that's going to be useful specifically to you guys. So first of all, I've got Genius Scan right here, and I'm going to open it. If you are just scanning one page at a time, if you look up here, there's a button that says batch. That's what you want to have visible if you're scanning more than one page. If you're only going to scan one page, I can just tap that and switch it back to single. Okay, but if I'm scanning more than one page, I want to have batch. I can't look at that video. There we go. So this is useful if you're scanning a whole test-to-me or a whole packet. That would be really useful. For those of you that got your tests back from me today, that's what I use to scan your tests. And then all you have to do is scan. You can hold it and take a picture, or it will auto-recognize your documents. If you hover your phone over your documents, it will auto-recognize a document and turn it green. Okay, I obviously don't have a document here. I just have this picture, but you kind of saw that little flash of orange there. I think I said green because it thought it recognized a document. I doubt I can get it back. There we go. So it's saying, hey, I think that's a document there. And if I wanted to scan that, I could hit scan. And then from there, I can go in and adjust it like she showed you in the other video. Now, how is this different from using your camera? Well, let me open up something that I scanned here. So I've got this document here that I've scanned. It was a batch document. So it's got a couple of pages. You can see I've got two different pages there. Instead of saving this to my phone, there is a little share button down here in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to hit share, and it's going to give me all these options for sharing. I can share it as a PDF. I can make it password protected. I'm not going to do any changes to that. I'm going to leave it as a PDF, and I'm going to leave it with no password. But it says export to, and then it says other apps. If I click on other apps, you'll see at the bottom I have a choice of where I want to send that, and I'm actually going to select Teams. And once I select Teams, I can start typing a name. So this is actually work for a student, so I can start typing that student's name if I wanted to, or if I wanted to send this to Mr. Harbin, I can just start typing, and everybody who's on CCNV and on Teams will come up. So I can select Michael Harbin. I can type a message to go along with my picture if I would want, and then I would hit send, and it would send it to the person that you've selected. Once you've sent it, you can check on Teams to make sure that it did go through. And if you want to free up space on your phone, so I don't want these things on my phone, I can go in and I can swipe to delete. It says, are you sure you want to delete? Yes, I do. Swipe to delete and swipe to delete. So you can take pictures on your phone, it makes them into a PDF, and instead of sending a bunch of individual pictures, you can just send one document as a PDF. Really quickly, to change your settings and how it's scanning, because I didn't know this at first, if you click on the little settings gear and go down to general, I know it's hard to see, there is a filter there, and this morning my filter was defaulting to black and white, which made it kind of hard to see. If you just want your picture to look like normal, you want to change your default filter to none. So if you're taking a picture of a math document, for example, default filter to none is the best filter to have. It's just going to take a picture exactly as it looks, with the color the paper the right color, the ink or the pencil the right color. So default filter none. If you guys have any other questions about Genius Scan and how to send me things, be sure to let me know.